Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to benefit from a 50% discount from Multilogin. As you know, Multilogin has become one of the best anti-detect browsers, and not only an anti-detect browser, but it's also a service that provides virtual cloud mobile phones if you want to open accounts from a real phone. I tested their cloud mobile phone feature, and the results were truly incredible. I use it to open Reddit accounts, X accounts, Instagram accounts, and Facebook accounts. They also provide fresh residential proxies. I will give you a 50% Multilogin discount code for each feature so that you can benefit from their service at a very discounted price. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you still don't have a subscription with Multilogin, let's check their prices. As you can see here, this is the pricing table. First, change the price rate from annually to monthly, because our discount code works only on monthly plans. So make sure to click here to switch to monthly instead of annually. You can choose the plan that fits your needs, and above that, any plan comes with a free balance of residential proxy bandwidth, which you won't find on any other anti-detect browser. For me, I'll go with the business plan. Now we are on the checkout page. The monthly business plan costs €159, and this plan comes with 300 profiles, meaning I can create 300 separate browsers, and 450 minutes of mobile cloud, meaning I can create a mobile profile and select, for example, a Samsung or Google device, and much more, and open it as a mobile where I can install apps. It looks like an emulator, but it's not a normal virtual emulator, because this one gives a real mobile API. And on top of that, we get 10 gigabytes of residential proxy bandwidth. It's all features in one Multilogin account, so no need to buy proxies from other places. They charge a very low cost. As you can see here, only €3 per gigabyte. Of course, this applies once you consume the first 10 gigabytes that comes with the package, and if you need more bandwidth of residential proxies, you can buy it very cheaply compared to market prices. Most providers charge above €6. I will also show you how to get 30% off on that €3 rate, so you'll pay only €2 per gigabyte. Now let's subscribe to this plan. As you can see, the total price is €159. We will use a Multilogin coupon that will give us 50% off. Here is the coupon, MEGA50. Type it here in the coupon field and click Apply. Here we go. The price drops to €79.50. Just click Pay and complete your payment. But since I already have an active subscription with them, I will skip this step and go to my account. As you can see, I'm now on the Multilogin dashboard, where you can set up and create your anti-detect browsers however you want, desktop or mobile. I already explained that in another video, which you'll find in my playlist. Just go to the video section and you'll find a tutorial on how to use Multilogin. In this video, I'll only show you how to minimize the cost of the service by providing you with an exclusive Multilogin discount you won't find anywhere else. Now, in case you are already using the service and want to top up your proxy balance, just click here where you can check how much balance you have left. Before it goes to zero, click on this balance here and you'll be redirected to this page. From this page, you can choose the amount of bandwidth you need. You can choose from the preset options they provide, or you can type the exact amount you want. For our case, let's choose 25 gigabytes of bandwidth, then click the Buy Traffic button. As you can see, the total price is €150, and of course, we won't pay the full amount because we'll apply the coupon code ADS-OFF30. Enter it here and click Apply. Here we go. We get a 30% discount, saving us €45. Just click the Buy Now button, complete the payment, and the balance will be added to your account instantly. That covers the proxies. Now let's move on to the mobile cloud anti-detect. In case you want to use real mobile phones and want to benefit from a discount, of course I have a 50% discount code for that too. If you want to top up your mobile cloud balance, note that they calculate usage of this service by the minute. As you can see, we have 150 minutes here, meaning once a mobile phone is generated and you start using it, the consumption begins counting down from those minutes. They generally charge only €0.0075 per minute, which is very cheap compared to many competitors. So if you want to top up your balance, click here and you'll be on the checkout page. From the list, choose the number of minutes you need. There are options for 5,000, 10,000, and 20,000 minutes. Choose the amount based on your needs. For example, I'll choose 10,000 minutes, which would cost 72 euros. But of course we won't pay that amount, because we'll pay only half by applying the coupon code DISC50. Enter it here and click Apply, and boom! The price drops to 36 euros. That's a great discount, and you won't find it anywhere else. Just click the Go to Checkout button, and you'll be redirected to complete the payment. That's everything in this video. I hope I brought you real value. I put in a lot of effort to bring you these exclusive coupons. If you found the video helpful, don't hesitate to like it and share it with anyone interested in the best AutoDetect browser. See you in the next one.